What's going on? So I've got this TV here. It is not doing anything when it's plugged in. No red light, nothing. So it's got an AC adapter and that's fine. And this AC adapter actually has a light. And when it's plugged in, that light goes off. I'll show you. See, the light is off. The light's off, and now I'll unplug it and it should come back on. There we go. So and also the fuse was blown. I replaced the fuse just with a piece of wire for now. What I've been doing is just pulling out these plugs here, going to this other board, just to see if it was on. Possibly there's like a short on here, and what I found is when I pull this plug here out and then plug it back in, the light stays on. Kind of hard to see, but you can see it's still on. I don't know if it goes brighter though. Yeah, so also with this unplugged, I can turn the TV on, the red light comes on and I can turn it on, but it just doesn't do anything. So maybe this has like some more responsibility or something. But yeah, I've just been trying to figure out what's wrong with this board. I'm guessing that's what's causing the problem. And also there'll be like no voltage anywhere when this is plugged in. I test this IC here, it has voltage, but when I plug it back in, there's nothing. So I'm just going to unplug this board and we'll try and figure it out. Okay, so what I've seen people do online is hook it up to like a power supply. They call it voltage injection, and I've just got this little AC adapter that I put leads on the end, so I'm just going to hook it up to where it says 3 volts and ground on these pins. I already did it last night, so just going to do that again. Right, so I soldered in the wires, and what I'm going to do is see what gets hot. Also got some isopropyl alcohol here that I'm going to spray on top, and if it's like getting hot, it'll just go like dry up straight away. You'll be able to see, and that's how people find like shorted components and stuff. Yeah, so I'm really just figuring all this out myself at the moment, but okay, plugged in. Also wondering about like so I don't know, I can get a replacement one of these for about $1 online. What I was thinking is I could possibly try and desolder it and with my hot air and see if that makes any difference. Apparently it's for like the DVD and AV function, this chip here. When I unplug this board, nothing really, I mean the TV will turn on, but the doesn't really do anything. So I guess that'll be the next thing I will try in another video. Yeah, just to keep it short, but it does seem like it could be possibly that. Yeah, I think it may be that. Kind of looks like a bridge solder joint there too, but looking at it, it looks like they both go to the same, those pins both go to the same trace, so it's probably alright. I don't know if it could be like something connected to it too, like one of these capacitors or something, but yeah, I have to decide if it's worth getting a replacement one of these. They're pretty cheap, so yeah, maybe worth a shot. Don't know if I'll be able to really, don't know about soldering that, it looks a bit tough, but yeah. Cheers.